some stories were never meant to be forgotten. They were buried, erased, hidden deep within time. But history always leaves behind traces, silent clues waiting to be uncovered. From lost civilizations to forbidden secrets, from ancient mysteries to dark truths of the past. We don't just tell stories, we uncover them. Welcome to Past Uncovered 450. Every year, the legendary Italian automaker Lamborghini produces thousands of high-performance machines, generating billions of euros in revenue. Surprisingly, this incredible production is achieved with fewer than 1,000 employees. But how is a Lamborghini supercar actually built? To find the answer, we travel to Italy's famous Motor Valley, the birthplace of some of the world's most iconic performance cars. Here, Lamborghini doesn't just manufacture automobiles. It creates machines that blend engineering, art, and passion into something truly extraordinary. Inside the factory, hundreds of highly skilled specialists work together to bring each vehicle to life. Many of them are second-generation craftsmen, continuing a tradition of precision and dedication. One of the company's most revolutionary achievements was the creation of the Lamborghini Aventador. When Lamborghini began developing this model, the goal was clear: push the limits of performance and innovation. The key breakthrough was weight reduction. Engineers designed an advanced carbon fiber monocoque chassis, a technology once reserved only for racing cars. Using carbon fiber dramatically reduced the vehicle's weight while increasing strength and rigidity. At first, producing such a chassis on a large scale seemed impossible. But Lamborghini engineers found a way to transform this complex technology into a viable production process. To support this innovation, the company built a specialized manufacturing facility dedicated entirely to carbon fiber structures. The result was astonishing. The Aventador's monocoque chassis weighs just about 147 kilograms, providing exceptional strength while improving the car's power-to-weight ratio. Lamborghini had already been experimenting with carbon fiber materials since the 1980s. Drawing inspiration from aerospace engineering, the company refined its techniques and created dedicated production systems. Inside the carbon fiber center, skilled technicians careful. Hidden inside the heart of Italy's legendary Motor Valley, the factory of Lamborghini operates like a perfectly synchronized machine. But unlike most car manufacturers, Lamborghini's production line is surprisingly calm and precise. Instead of thousands of robots dominating the floor, you'll find skilled craftsmen carefully building each component by hand. Every supercar begins as a complex structure of carbon fiber and aluminum, designed to be incredibly strong yet remarkably lightweight. Engineers constantly test new materials and manufacturing methods to make every generation of Lamborghini faster and more efficient than the last. One of the most fascinating stages takes place when the suspension and steering systems are installed. These parts are responsible for giving the car its incredible handling, allowing it to stay stable